We are in Eravikulam district, Kerala, India. The temperature is about 35 degrees, and seriously the daytime gets really hot, so we're gonna hop along into a shopping center, Center Square shopping mall.
Yeah, and also it gives us a chance to have a look ourselves, because shopping malls are not something we go to a lot, but they're brilliant in India for cooling down.
Yeah, they are.
So let's go for a nosy and see what it's like before we go for some amazing food. Wow, this is beautiful, isn't it?
It's amazing. I love the cool. It's beautiful.
So lots of nice shops.
Well, that was an interesting shopping center tour for us, and they got like lots of European named shops as well as the local shops, like the markets. Obviously when you come up the top floor, there's a big cinema, all the food courts, different food places to choose from.
So if you are new to our channel, we often just get out and about and get lost, and we've actually met some people in the mall and asked them where's good to go for biryani, and they've recommended coming to this hungry place. So we're going to come along here, and hopefully they've got no music.
I like the name. It's called Hungry Plates. Hungry Plates meets Hungry Go-Go.
Yeah, so we're going to go in here and have some food.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your day in Kerala.
So what's your name again?
My name is Vaishak. I am from Trivandrum. Basically, I am studying here in Amity College.
So these gentlemen told us to go that place. Say hi. They're all hiding now. So thank you so much for the recommendation. Thank you.
Okay,
thank you again.
Enjoy.
You have a nice day, yeah? Bye-bye. So we met them in the shopping mall, and they told us about the hungry plates. So I'm actually glad we are there, because it looks really nice. The food looks amazing, so we're gonna go and check it out.
This place is so busy. It's really, really busy. How busy is this place? So busy.
They must be doing something right.
Yeah.
But they never had hungry go-go in hungry plates. You won't like this. Hungry plates, hungry go-go. The plate looks absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to dig in with the fingers.
And it's called...
But this is chicken biryani, wrapped cooked in banana leaf. Couldn't be any better.
You don't know what to look at, do you?
No, I mean this has been. I mean, this is chicken Marrakesh, chicken keema, which is minced chicken cooked with cheese and mayonnaise inside the roti. That looks so delicious, and things like this always been my favorite from Turkey as well. It comes with this, so this is mayonnaise. It comes with the mayonnaise, pot of mayonnaise. So just gonna have a small bite and see what it looks like. The naan is so soft, so tasty, but the keema is spicy with the herbs inside it. Peppers, I can actually taste strong peppers in there. And the curry, obviously cardamom and some garlic and onion, all marinated and filled in this lovely naan with cheese and mayonnaise. And dipping the mayonnaise, a bit lemony mayonnaise, is so delicious. So this is the chicken biryani, cooked in banana leaf. It's served with, it looks like chutney, lemon chutney. My new favorite salad, raita. We met yesterday, we met day before, we met today. We are meeting every day now. And this, I haven't got a clue what it is.
Date.
Is it date?
Date.
I love dates. Date chutney.
Yeah.
So, what do? We just put some of the rice on the rice and then eat it. Yeah. I seen the gentleman next table did it. So, what we do is this. And mix them together, mix them well, get some, ooh, there's lots of chicken in this one. Yeah. Mix them well, and there you go. The rice tastes something I never tasted before. Cooking inside the banana leaf changes the total difference. So soft, but it's not sticky. With this chicken on top, it's got like some kind of lemony, garlicky curry. It's not spicy, but it's spicy for some who doesn't like spice. And meet it with this raita. You get like crunchy, fresh vegetables in there, onions, peppers, carrots. It is so delicious. For the second time, I just talked to the guy again, but luckily he said his name on the video. So what's your name again?
My name is Vaishak. I am from Trivandrum. Basically, I am studying here in Amity College.
I can't pronounce, I can't remember his name, but you all know. Thank you to you, and please comment down below what his name is. I think he said Vaisal when I was talking to him outside, because he talked to me outside. He said his name, introduced himself, but I can't actually remember his name. I'm so sorry again, but thank you so much for this recommendation. This is definitely next level biryani. And this chicken. So soft. I want to say something I love about India as well. You got breadcrumbs outside the chicken, and inside is so crunchy outside and soft inside. Oh, that's spicy, but it's so delicious. The hungry plates meets with hungry go-go. That's all I can say.
Are you going to try any of the other chutneys?
Yeah, but I'm going to have awkward and try them with me.
In the lemon.
In the lemon?
Is that one like lime pickle, what I love?
There is something in this. It's lime pickle. I really don't like it.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, she loves it, so she can have it. Date chutney. That is really nice. That is a really good combination together. I can't say anything I haven't liked other than lime chutney, because that's not something I would like, but everything, including lime chutney, on this table, in this restaurant, 10 out of 10.
You're pleased to be back in India.
I love India.
It's so light, and inside you can see the layers of the minced chicken and the cheese and the mayonnaise. That is delicious, but so light. It's still warm. I am in the hub. If you've never tasted this before, this is unbelievable, and I'm not a big meat eater, but this is very very good. I'm going to try dipping it in the meal. Because me and Gogo eat in so many restaurants, because obviously we're making a lot of vlogs every day, it's not often that we go back to place, but we're still here in Kerala for like another 5-6 days. We're going to be coming back here. This food is exceptional, and I haven't even tasted the biryani, but the smell from the food, the smell when we opened up that banana leaf, incredible. Keema mince that's inside is so soft and juicy, because sometimes you can get a keema and it's not like that, it can be dry, but this is so juicy. But I am so keen to get stuck in here to this amazing biryani. I don't know where to start, but I'm going to start somewhere where normally I don't start. But I want to break some of this chicken in, and the chicken is just so tender. I'm not as good as Gogo, so if you're new here, I'm not as good as Gogo at eating with my hands, but I am trying, so apologies. The cardamom comes right through, but the rice is just so fluffy and so delicious. Lots of moisture in there, but not too much, not soggy. I definitely want to try just a little bit of this date. Because I've never had date chutney. And I think it's called chutney, I'm not sure. Apologies again if we get it wrong. One of my favourites, lime pickle. I'll just put a little bit on because quite often it can be really spicy. And I'm
It's not spicy, it's just too strong.
Mix it round. Absolute food heaven. Gogo, are you enjoying?
I'm loving it.
You're in heaven. Did you try the date with the rice? Oh, you don't like it? You like that with your bread?
I don't like the mix sweet and spicy together. I like the sweet is sweet, spicy is spicy. It's nice.
To 485 rupees for all that food. That actually was probably enough to feed like a family of 4. It really was.
Instead, family of 1 because she doesn't eat.
No, I ate a little bit.
She ate a little bit more than yesterday, today.
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
one spoonful more maybe.
Yeah, 1 spoonful. It
I'm
was
so
delicious.
full, but it was absolutely the best.
Absolutely delicious. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you. Thank you. We will be back before we leave. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. So we're on the moped and we've stopped to buy some grapes. 2 kilos of grapes for 150 rupees. Amazing. So I know that seems a lot, but we can take some back for the family where we have the homestay. So we've stopped to buy them. Thank you, thank you. So the bridge that we just rode across there has brought us from Eravikulam, and this goes over to Wellington Island, and then Wellington Island takes you across to Fort Kochi.
Fort Kochi bridge.
So it's all connected by these bridges, isn't it, Coco?
It is, yeah. I think this one is the old bridge.
It's the old one, and
Yeah.
there's people fishing.
So this must be the railway bridge.
Yeah.
Well, it's good that they kept the old bridge so people can still cross and fishing as well.
Yeah,
It's really good.
it is.
There is nothing better than finish your day with this yummy, delicious mint soda. So refreshing. I really enjoy. I love soda water anyway, but mixing with mint, I never thought something like that. So delicious.
So the first time I had mint and lime soda was in Pakistan when I was traveling, and my friend who's Pakistani, she introduced me to this, and since then I introduced Gogo, and we found it here in India, and he loves it, don't you?
Love it.
You really love
Absolutely
it.
love it. It's perfect digestion drink after a lovely meal.
Yeah, and I'm finishing off with just lime soda, this one. So mine's just lime and no mint this time. But we just want to say a huge thank you to everybody for watching us today. We hope that you've enjoyed our amazing banana leaf biryani, a speciality here in Kerala. And we hope that you've enjoyed having a little look around with us as well. We will be back tomorrow to show you more adventures from this beautiful region.
And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because we are so excited and so close to big number for us. With your help, we're gonna reach it with no time. And thank you so much again if you came this far. And before we close this vlog, another thing, what drink should I have that is gonna make me dance, belly dance? Yeah, fire away any drinks you have in the mind. I will taste it.
So it's bye from me, and we'll see you soon, everyone.
Yes, bye bye.
Bye bye.